Hi Taurus! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for notification from this channel. All my readings are timeless, so you can be open to messages anytime you come across this video. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Taurus. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you. For Taurus, please, ano yung mga paparating na energies and messages for Taurus? Ano yung mga gabay? Messages, energies. Taurus. Yeah, you are moving on. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are chasing your dreams. Kung ano yung mas beneficial or makakatulong para sa inyo, sa sarili nyo. Okay? You are leaving a situation na meaningless or parang hindi na para sa inyo. Okay? You are going towards for fulfillment. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, magfo-focus sa work, nare-recognize ang quality ng inyong ginagawa, ng inyong trabaho. Merong meetings, pagpupulong about you. Okay? Yeah. Creative works. Okay. Okay. Be confident, Taurus. Okay? Sa sarili. Huwag ka mawalan ng pag-asa. Okay? Minsan, sa isip mo lang yan na hindi mo kaya ang isang trabaho or yung isang gawain. Okay? But it is just in your thoughts, in your mind. Okay? Be confident. Follow your intuition. Yeah. For some of you, you are waiting, okay, for some news. Ayan. If you are applying for a job and meron kayong interview, you are waiting for the result. Okay? Yung iba, you are thinking of ways and means kung paano i-improve ang inyong kaperahan, ang inyong savings. Okay? The Lovers. Okay, kailangan mong gumawa ng isang wise na decision or choices. Most especially in your intimate relationship or love relationship. Okay? Yeah. Maybe, yeah, for some of you, you are entering a relationship. You also need to be wise. Protect yourself at the same time. The High Priestess. Listen to your intuition. Use your 5 senses, most especially in making a decision. Okay? Be confident at the same time. For some, merong mga truth, merong mga hidden information that will be revealed to you. Okay? Malakas ang inyong pakiramdam, malakas ang inyong intuition. Secrets. Okay. Yeah. For some of you, you are approaching or getting an advice or you are consulting a tarot reader or someone na gifted spiritually. You want to know something, okay, about a situation. Yeah. Security and stability. Merong accomplishments. Okay? There is happiness and contentment in your home life. Okay? Or in your house. Merong pagkakaintindihan. Temperance. Balanse ang inyong emosyon. Okay? Kailangan mo i-temper ang inyong anger. Yes. So, you need to balance your emotions and be patient also sa inyong sitwasyon, most especially sa home life ninyo. Okay? Patience is needed for you to succeed also in accomplishing your work or your projects and completing a project. Okay? Yeah, Knight of Wands. Yeah, for some of you, you are dealing with a Sagittarius or a fire sign. Okay. Yeah, you need to extend patience to this person. So, may mga adventures na nag-aantay para sa inyo, exciting events. Okay, but also be wise. Most especially in dealing with this person. Okay? The Hangman. Merong pause, temporary pause in your situation. Kailangan din ng pasensya if you are waiting on something, you are waiting a decision. Okay? So while waiting, you also have to expand your thoughts or embrace changes or new ideas, new insights, okay, na makakatulong sa inyo to expand or to grow further. Okay? Kung meron kayong mga control issues, you are pushing yourself too hard, or meron kayong pinipilit na something, okay, release, let go of your control issues. Let things to unfold naturally by itself. Okay? Minsan, kailangan din natin magsakripisyo in order to gain something in the future, to be successful also in the future. So, yeah. Kung kailangan magtiis, so be it, okay? In order to succeed or to gain something in return. Yeah. For some of you, merong stagnancy or stagnant ang situation mo with this person, a fire sign. Most especially sa bahay ninyo or sa inyong relasyon. Okay? You know there is something wrong or merong nangyayari, merong hidden information or truth, but you are controlling also yourself. Not to get angry or not to get annoyed. Kalma lang. Kampante. Knight of Pentacles. Okay, merong someone that will bring good news to you. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga kailangan kayong tapusin or gawin. Honor your commitments. Yeah. You are also planning for something regarding your future, your stability, financial security, and stability in the future. You are working hard on it, Taurus. Nagpaplano ka. Okay? Yes. There is a wish come true para sa inyo. Happiness. Okay? Yung mga concerns mo will fade away. Okay? A love of life. Okay? You feel that you are in the right direction. You are on the right path. The Devil. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are overly focused on material things. Okay? You have to detach yourself also from a toxic relationship or unhealthy environment. Okay? Meron kang kakayahan to get out para umalis sa ganyang sitwasyon. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo merong obsession, overthinking, obsessed about someone in the past, or obsessed ka thinking about sa mga ginawa sa inyo na hindi maganda. Okay? Obsessed ka sa past hurts. Okay? You have to let go of yourself. From that, you have to detach yourself in that situation. Okay? Merong obsession na, parang paulit-ulit na rin, no? Hindi na siya healthy para sa inyo. King of Pentacles, you have the Midas touch. Okay? Kung kailangan mo ng tulong about money, there is someone that will help you when it comes sa kaperahan. Okay? Kung merong opportunity na ino-offer sa inyo, accept it confidently. Okay? This is your time to succeed also. Taurus, wow. Yeah, make plans about your future. Okay? Money, kaperahan. Yes, but abundance and blessings. Meron kang stability, hope, and merong healing at the same time. Kung nasaktan ka man before, merong ginawa na hindi fair or hindi just sa inyo, now you are healing, okay? You are gaining strength and faith in yourself. Okay. Yeah. You are fearless. You will be fearless. Fearlessness and strength, inner strength, you have that. So make a wish, make a long-term plan about sa stability mo, about sa future, positive plans, okay, for the future. Okay? Wow. So just detach yourself from unhealthy habits, okay, also unhealthy habits or addiction on something. Maybe you are indulging too much on material things, on wine and food, okay, or liquor. Detach yourself from that, okay. Okay, there is happiness and positivity after pain, after darkness, okay, after some loss, okay, merong happiness and strength, okay. Yeah, so it's a good decision for you to move on and focus on yourself, believe in yourself, be confident, okay? If you are entering a new relationship, be wise also. Make a healthy choice. Okay? You have to sacrifice a little for now, temporarily, in order for you to gain something good in the future, something positive. Okay? So, yeah. For some of you, you are missing your family. Okay? Merong forgiveness. Okay? From the people in the past. Okay? Communication. Yeah, endings of deception, betrayal. Things will be better now for you, Taurus. Yeah. For some of you, merong mga opportunities na ino-offer or binibigay sa inyo. Tingnan mo din ng mabuti because sometimes it's a blessing, okay? Yeah. You will be receiving money, attention, time, gifts. Yeah. Yeah, merong nag-apologize or mag-offer sa'yo ng something, invitation, but you're not interested. Okay? So, Taurus. Home base. Home is the harbor of the soul. It is the safest place you can be. Change your environment. Okay? change your environment, change of location, or simply cleaning of the house. Money tree. Dreams come true. You will get what you have long desired. Enjoy your wealth. Wow. Dreams come true for you. It's a confirmation. Enjoy your wealth. Enjoy mo yung kaperahan mo, yung victory mo, yung success. Mind power. Use your intelligence. Analyze data logic and think rationally. Lead with your mind. Be wise. Lead with your mind. Ano yung message sa inyo from the angels? For Taurus, angels message for Taurus, please. Spirit guides, message for Taurus. Release resentments about money. Yes, the money system of the world can seem upsetting, but holding resentments about finances just pushes your abundance away. Instead, see money as a tool you can use to better the world, and this shift will help you attract support and golden opportunities. Okay, that's the message for you. Spirit message for Taurus, please. Spirit message for Taurus. Spirit message for Taurus. Spirit message for Taurus. Oh. Yeah, you are feeling somewhat confused by the events that are unfolding around you and the various seemingly contradictory information that is coming your way. Trust your instincts and do what they are telling you to do, and you will learn a lot about yourself and the direction you want your life to take. Okay? So, these are the messages for you. Taurus, maraming salamat and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!